As you can see, it's raining. That's why I need to get that gutter fixed somehow to where it drains on the outside of the fencing, and I can dig a ditch out and put some PVC pipe or something out there further. That's one of the reasons why some of this stays wet in here. They were sleeping on my tub there a minute ago, and the rest of them are over there on the perches. See it raining, babies. I went in and shut the windows, closed the door, left that opening there. So we got one on the bottom down there. Must be the bottom of the pecking order. I don't know. They all just panning out over there. Yeah, it's raining, baby. I'll see if they all, I'm pretty sure they'll all go in there tonight. I still have to finish painting my door. Haven't finished it yet. I didn't bring nothing this time. Oh. What, you think this is treat time? Huh? You think it's treat time? I gave you treats. Let me get in there. You're laying on my treat box. Come on. Laying on my treat box and y'all poopied on it. Y'all poopied on it. Let's see, what can I get you? What do you want? Probably some sunflower seeds, huh? Huh. Here you go. That's all you get. Get out of the rain. It's not pouring down the rain, though. Did I disturb you girls? Huh? Did I disturb you girls? Yeah, you're gonna get wet out there. They're still picking at that grass. I was gonna get to the coop today, but I pooped out. I left some water out there too, because sometimes they hang out there. Are you at the bottom of the pecking chain? Huh, baby? Are you? Dig around in that dirt. Yeah, and I still haven't spread my straw yet. After I got done in here and had to run to Lowe's, and then I got some dirt and some pea gravel for a place in the front yard, and I probably had a couple 100 pounds of stuff I had to unload after doing this, and I had to run some errands and do some stuff in the house, so I kind of didn't quite make it inside the coop. But we will get that done this week. Yeah. Huh. My bones just won't go that far. I get a pretty good half day in. It's that second half that it gets iffy. What y'all standing out in the rain for? I guess they're done with their siesta. We'll head on in the house.